Today I said goodbye to my friend Rachel, who I was staying with. It was just so lovely to be able to come over here and stay with someone, and we got along so well, and we even shared food, so that was good. I like variety. She was my little food buddy. So yeah, a little bit sad to say goodbye to her. And now I'm just staying in this, this is the Gaylord Hotel that the event is at, so I'm staying here now just by myself, and I just thought I would show you around my room. Look at this window. Oh, you can't see, hang on. And that's my view. It's really awesome. Hello, Washington. Quite an amazing view from the hotel room. And I also just wanted to share something with you. I've had something sent here for me to pick up from the FedEx from Manic Panic. So I'm just going to open that right now with a pen because I don't have a knife, nor is there any knives in this room. And what I wanted to tell you that I haven't really announced yet is that when I get back and I start work up again in Tasmania, I'm going to be a Manic Panic ambassador, which means I'm going to be using all the Manic Panic products, and I'm hoping to be a little bit more involved with the company. So yeah, very exciting. And so they have very kindly sent me this package, and I will now open it with you. And a Manic Panic mug. How cool is that? Thank you so much for organising this. Oh, and I got bubble wrap. Super happy.